guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an updated review on my Coach Pillow Tabby 26 purse. I got this probably like a few months ago, I think 3 months ago, so this one is already 3 months old and I've been using this so much. It became one of my favorite. I don't know, for some reason I have several purses from Coach, but I actually like reach out more on this. I just really love the leather. It's really soft and I don't know, it's just so easy and grab and go. So anyway, let's take a look at right here and the emblem logo. Looking at it right here, I didn't see any scratches at all, and I use this a lot like I mentioned. And let me just open this purse. So this one still has this one right here, the film. This one is actually a protective film, so I didn't remove that. This actually came in when I purchased it. I didn't remove that just to protect the hardware. So far the hardware, this is the only scratches that I have seen. This one right there, and yeah, obviously this is, you will get a lot more scratches, but I'm surprised it actually didn't have much of those. You guys can see, I am expecting for a lot more, really, because for 3 months of using. So looking at it right here, there's a little bit of a scratch that is expected. And right here at the flap, I didn't see any so far right here at the flap. And yeah, I am very particular with my purse. Right here at the corner, let me see. Okay, right here at the corner, I could actually see that what is this? It looks like the leather. Looks like the leather seems to appears to be like, I'm not sure if that was peeling though. I was trying to I normally don't. Let me just get something to, let me just get a Q-tip to see what that is. So let's take a look. So looking at it right now, yeah, it seems like it actually, like, it looks like it peeled though. Oh, hold on, it's not. Yeah, it was peeling. The leather actually was peeling. Wow. That is expected when you use it, of course. And then let me look at the interior. The interior is pretty clean at all. I didn't see any staining because recently, guys, like a few weeks ago, CHELLIE, she actually sent me an insert, and that is actually, I'm so happy that she sent me that, because that would really help protect my interior. And as we guys know, that this one is the interior is actually made up of smooth leather, which is prone with scratches. And yeah, so I'm so happy, I'm so glad that she sent me that. And also right here, let me just close this one first. Okay, right here, let's take a look at the side. So I will be able to see the flaws definitely for this purse. It's because I have the ring light on. So pretty much I didn't see any wear on this side. The back seems to look, it's flawless. Right here, the only thing that I have seen is this part right here. So I don't know what that is, but it's been there when I clean it. So that is expected for using it for 3 months old. So that is expected. And on this side, so this side seems to look great. I didn't see nothing so obvious. Oh, this part right here, I don't know what that is, but this is, yeah. So those are the wear that I have seen so far. and I use the chain as well quite a lot. So I am like using the chain, guys. I'm a little bit worried and also a little bit like conscious, because this would probably might cause some wear on this side on the flap. But so far, looking at the flap right now, I didn't see any sort of wear at all, not even a scratches on this. I am expecting a lot more. That's because of the hardware, so it can just like put some, you know, pressure around it. But so far, looking at it, it's looking pretty good. So the bottom seems to look nice as well. I didn't see any there's a little bit right here, scratches. So far, overall, for using this quite a lot, it's looking good. It's looking really nice. So anyway, CHELLIE actually sent me this insert, and I'm so happy and so glad that she sent me this, because I really wanted to protect the interior for my purse. And this one, it came in with this 2 inserts. This one is actually made of a really high quality materials, as you guys can see right here. She sent me this color. I think she only made this color so far as of the moment, but if you wanted a different color, she could do that for you if you wanted to match the taffy or ivory, I guess, or black. But I like it, like if I have a black purse, I like it if it's like a contrasting color. But yeah, this is like the color, it's not the same, so that's really nice. So this one actually came in with 2 inserts. I'm gonna have to put down the link below if you're interested in these. And this one, so this is her logo right there. You guys, look at the stitching. So you guys can see the stitching is actually beautifully done. Very nice. The inside as well, really nice. And yeah, this is really made up of a really high quality. The craftsmanship is impeccable with this beautiful insert. So it's so anyway, let me just put this one in here so that you guys will be able to see how it looks. So let me put this insert. I think this one is the smaller ones. And then let me put the other one as well right there. Let me just arrange it for a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. So that's how it looks. It's actually pretty neat though. Yeah, I really like the idea of like protecting the interior of your purse. And also, like, if you want to clean your purse, it's so easy. Like, you don't need to really worry about the interior, get some scratches or some wear or things like that. So it is so easy to clean. And also, let me just stuff this purse first. So usually what I would bring when I'm using this, I need my phone. I always put my phone right here in front. And I have the key holder. I have a 6 key holder in here. So I always put it right here at the back. Now right here in front, near my phone. I have my card holder. This is my most used card holder, and I use this quite a lot though. And I love it. This is made up of a combination of leather and also with a jacquard, and it is gorgeous. So I put this one at the back, and then I put this right here near my phone. And then I have here the pochette. This is from Coach, and I put my face powder, my makeup, my lip gloss, my lipstick and stuff. So I put this one at the back. It actually fits perfectly right there. I have my Louis Vuitton perfume right here. This is the spray, the travel spray. And this is, right now, I don't know what I use right now. So right now, I'm currently using, I'm going to show you what I have. Oh, this was, I have actually I have the Etoile Filante, and it smells really, really good. It's one of my all-time favorite from Vuitton, and I usually put it right there. And this one is already stuffed. Sometimes I actually bring my my mask, but I have a disposable mask, so I have it in my car. So this is how it looks. So let me close it. It actually closed perfectly. Look at that. So that's how it would look. Very nice. I just really, really love the organization for this organizer, guys. That's why I got it. Very beautiful, very organized on the inside. So another thing that I also love about this, let me get my other pillow tabby. So I have my black one here. So she's here with a chain. So the nice thing about this is I could literally just take this insert out and transfer it on my other purse. So let me show that. So let me open this one right here. So this one still has those protective film that's coming from when I purchased it. I didn't take the one off. So what I love about this, I could easily transfer this insert. So what I would usually do is just take this one out and transfer it right here. Okay, so also take this one out and transfer it over here. Look at that. Look how convenient that is. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier, it would be nice to get this color, and if you have a darker purse, because you could see the contrast, and it is looking pretty good. It's nice. Let me close it. It actually closed perfectly, no problems at all. Very nice. So yeah, I would highly recommend this insert, guys. So when you get a chance, you could check my description down below. I actually put her information, and also right now I think she has a promotion for 10% off. So yeah, you might as well take advantage of that. And yeah, you would definitely gonna have a lot of use on this insert. And if you have multiple tabby pillow like what I have right now, yeah, it is very useful and so easy to transfer. And also this one is made up of a very high quality material as well. I love the craftsmanship. It's so beautiful, and she's actually located in UK. So yeah, when she sent this to me, it actually takes just like a week. And I have been using this since she sent this to me. Oh, sorry, I can't speak. Oh my gosh. Since she sent this to me, I have been using it nonstop, and I love it. I would definitely gonna recommend it. And it is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. So easy. Look at that. Very nice. This one, I use this a handful of times. But yeah, I am loving the green so much. And yeah, so this one is, of course, the wear for this is more visible than the black. So yeah, this one so far, the black, yeah, I'm not really worried so much about this, you know. I mean, if you have scratches or marks like that, yeah, it actually, I believe it adds character to your purse, because, you know, it's not going to be flawless, especially like as long as you don't abuse your purse, you know. And yeah, I think this one is, yeah, I'm not really too much worried about the wear and tear of this. You know, it actually adds character to the purse if you see those marks and scratches, and that's just normal, just normal wear and tear. So anyway, this is my review on this beautiful pillow tabby. I think they're all sold out right now on the Coach website. Have to check the website from time to time because they updated them periodically. And yeah, I mean, I was like looking forward for more colors for this. And also, yeah, this one is by far my favorite. I did not expect that it became my favorite. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.